Welcome back to Beautyistic, your go-to space for honest, in-depth beauty reviews. Today, we're shining the spotlight on a product that promises to take your complexion from dull to glowing, without the typical shimmer or shine. Say hello to the Rodial Banana Lowlighter, a liquid concealer designed to brighten the under-eye area and enhance your skin's natural radiance. This product features a yellow undertone to counteract dark circles and unevenness, while providing a smooth, hydrated finish. Rodial Banana Lowlighter is a unique take on the typical concealer, with a formulation aimed at creating that coveted lit-from-within glow. It contains a blend of hyaluronic acid, vitamin E, and caffeine, all known for their skin-loving properties. Hyaluronic acid helps to retain moisture, keeping the skin hydrated throughout the day, while vitamin E serves as an antioxidant, protecting the skin from environmental damage. The inclusion of caffeine is a nice touch, as it helps reduce puffiness, especially around the eyes. When it comes to the actual application, this product feels incredibly silky and smooth. I found that it glided effortlessly onto my skin, blending in beautifully without settling into fine lines. The texture is lightweight, which I appreciated, and I noticed that it didn't feel cakey or heavy, even when I applied it throughout the day. One of my key takeaways here is the hydrating effect. It didn't dry me out or accentuate any dry patches. In fact, it gave me a soft, dewy finish, perfect for those who like a more natural look but still want some coverage. Now, I'll say this. It's easy to get a little too excited about the idea of a glow-up, but what I found is that this product strikes a delicate balance between being luminous without being overly shiny. For those who prefer a more natural glow, this is your go-to. It's not like other highlighters that leave you with an obvious shimmer. The finish is very much understated, which I think is a major plus for those who prefer subtle enhancement over overt sparkle. There are some areas where the product could be improved. The coverage isn't as full as some might expect from a typical concealer, so if you're looking to completely mask dark circles or blemishes, this might not be enough on its own. You may need to layer it with a more heavy-duty concealer if you're dealing with stubborn spots. Another small downside is that the product comes in a relatively small tube, only 0.1 fl, which could be a bit limiting for those who need to use it daily. When we talk about value for money, Rodial is certainly positioned as a luxury brand. The price tag is on the higher end, but with its blend of quality ingredients like hyaluronic acid and vitamin E, you're paying for a product that's formulated to nurture and hydrate the skin, not just conceal. If you're someone who enjoys using makeup that also cares for your skin, the price could very well be justified. However, if you're looking for something more affordable, there are other banana tone concealers out there that deliver similar results at a lower price point. The build quality of the packaging is solid, sleek, and feels quite luxurious in the hand. The applicator is convenient, allowing for precise application, especially around delicate areas like the under eye. In terms of longevity, I found that the product stayed put throughout the day without requiring frequent touch-ups, even with my combination skin. It didn't break down or fade, which is always a good sign when it comes to a product of this nature. As for customer support, I haven't had any personal experience reaching out to Rodial's team, but their reputation is generally positive in terms of responsiveness and support. It's always reassuring to know that if any issues arise, you can expect quick assistance. If you're considering a cheaper alternative, there are plenty of options in the market to support it, such as the Maybelline Instant Age Rewind Eraser Dark Circles Treatment Concealer, which provides a similar yellow-toned brightening effect. While it might not have the same skin-nourishing ingredients, it's a solid choice for those on a tighter budget. So what's the final verdict on the Rodial Banana Lowlighter? It's a beautifully formulated product that delivers a natural, radiant finish without the shimmer. It's perfect for anyone looking for subtle brightening and hydration. If you're a fan of luxury beauty brands and enjoy a product that not only conceals but nourishes the skin, this could be a great addition to your makeup routine. On the flip side, if you need higher coverage or are looking for a more affordable alternative, there are definitely other options worth considering. Is this review helpful to you? If so, please like, subscribe, and click the bell icon so other beauty lovers can find this video too. Your support helps us keep making honest reviews like this. Thank you so much for tuning in today. Don't forget to check the description box for the link to purchase the Rodial Banana Lowlighter. If you've tried this product, drop a comment below and let us know your thoughts. Until next time, stay beautiful inside and out.